Look at this weather. Can you see the sun on the sky and the reflections from the fjord? The longest and biggest fjord in Europe. It's also the deepest fjord. All this light is coming into the canopies and develop our grapes. And so we can vinify it to a gold medal. And you see to the left here, you can see Fimreite. There King Sverre won the battle, so meant so much for the Norwegian history. This was one of the biggest Viking battles in Norway to decide who should be the king in Norway. And it was more than 40 Viking ships clashed together in a big battle. And now we are here growing our grapes. 800 years ago it was a big battle. Finally, the summer come to Slinde, Norway, by Sognefjord, and now we take off leaves here because the grapes have to get some sunshine so they can gather aromas. You see here is too much cluster, so we have to remove some of them, but then that I will take later. Now I just take off leaves so it will be sunny inside. You see the canopy is really big, so it doesn't matter. Now they are getting sugar because they are starting to be blue, and they are really too much here, so I have to remove clusters. And after this we take up a net because the birds, they like it too. They are crazy. They are my personal trainers every year. I run after them and take them and I grab them and I say, don't you come back with your whole family. I throw it. I will not kill them. They are singing so nice in the spring. I tell them, you can get 5% of it. Yes, now we have to cover. The blackbirds are crazy about our grapes. So now we have to cover. We cover just where the clusters are, so the canopy can be really green and nice up. And we cover 3,000 vines now like this. If we didn't cover, I think we wouldn't have any grape, not a single one. And that's because of the quality in Slinde. The grapes are so good. They love our grapes. I tell them 5%, they take 100. Samtidig. Det jo film, dette jo verdt å filme. This weekend we had this yearly competition in Norwegian grape growers, and we won for the 5th time in a row for white wine. And I think that's quality we can give to the conditions here in Slinde, and also me and Halldis, of course, because we work a lot with the canopies so they can produce nice grapes so we can vinify and make a really good wine. Now we will try to make a really good sparkling wine this year, because it's a little bit late, but I think we will have the quality to make really good sparkling wine. So maybe next year we will win the competition for the sparkling wine. We like to compete, you know. And now you can follow us in our work in our vineyard, hopefully leading to an international gold medal.